This is an overview of the apprenticeship process at Collision Career Institute. So trainees typically learn and practice new skills about 20% of the time they're on the job working with their trainer. The trainer validates those skills, show them new skills, and about 80% of their time they're actually spent just working as a helper to that trainer. The trainee actually uploads evidence of all the skills that they're developing. They're in a prescribed method and sequence, and it's archived in the software to help them prep and learn how to track each of the skills that they've learned. The teacher or the instructor reviews all of that work online in a weekly meeting, which could be at the shop, or it could be remotely from wherever each of those students are. That teacher basically meets weekly and coaches them on their skills, coaches them and reviews the work that they've submitted, the evidence they've provided, resolve any gaps or misunderstandings, or clarify techniques and tasks that they're doing, and also get an opportunity to preview what's coming next. Sometimes the content is a little bit complicated on some of the third-party learning, like ICAR courses. They need to possibly get a jump start on that so they can actually initiate part of those courses during that weekly meeting and kind of get them a jump start on how to proceed and move forward. This is a great method for building skills in a live shop production environment where they have minimal touch time with an instructor, like an hour a week, and inside of 12 to 18 months can totally become successful at producing good volumes of work at profit for the shop.